Hey guys, happy Friday. I'm not giving you a huge assignment for today. Figure it's Friday, it's 5 days into virtual learning. We're all probably extremely tired and a bit burnout from the week and trying to figure things out. So I'm just going to give you a really easy assignment today. I want to tell you about my theme for my classroom for this year. How many of you have seen the movie Hamilton? Or even gotten to see it the live version of it. If you have Disney Plus and you haven't watched Hamilton yet, I highly recommend that you watch it over and over and over again because it is um, my current new favorite thing to listen to. I listen to the soundtrack every day. I'm trying to learn all the rap songs, and I just really love the music and the message from that play. So I will be referencing it a lot. And actually, when you finally get onto campus and get to be in my classroom, it is the theme for my class this year. And I've never actually had a class theme, so it's kind of exciting. I don't really know exactly how it'll all work. Um, but I wanted you guys to at least have the opportunity to hear the song that is inspired my theme. It's Wait For It, which is performed. Sorry about that. Wait For It, which is performed by Aaron Burr. Um, the actor's name is Leslie Odom Jr., but the character is Aaron Burr. He's the one that does shoot Hamilton in the end of the play. Not to ruin anything, sorry about that. But I want you to listen to it. So we're going to listen to the song. Um, and then I want to hear kind of what your thoughts are. And I will explain why I chose this song in particular. So let me just minimize myself. If it'll work this time. There we go. All right. So the version that I'm going to show you is it's called, is this the one that I wanted to show you? Well, we'll just see what happens. It's called An American Musical 360. So it's not the same version as what was performed on Broadway and what you would see when you watch the movie on Disney Plus. Is this the whole song? Yeah, I think so. But anyway, just watch, listen to it one time, and we'll talk about how it made you feel in a minute.
Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I am the one thing in life I can control. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I am inimitable, I am an original. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I'm not falling behind or running late. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I'm not standing still, I am lying. Wait. Hamilton faces an endless uphill climb. Climb. He has something to prove. He has nothing to lose. Hamilton's pace is relentless. He wastes no time. Time. What is it like in his shoes? Life doesn't discriminate between the sinners and the saints. It takes and it takes and it takes, and we keep living anyway. We rise and we fall and we break and we make our mistakes. And if there's a reason I'm still alive and so many have died, then I'm willing to wait for it, 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 wait for it.
All right. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, that's just a little snippet of the entire song. And if you haven't watched the play, I want you to definitely watch it. Let me just have you listen to this one part of the song again, the very beginning part, and I'm going to stop it because I want you to catch the part of the lyric in particular that has really struck me and hit home with me and has inspired me for this school year, and then I'll explain why. Starting now.
Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I am the one thing in life I can control. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I am inimitable, I am an original. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I'm not falling behind or running late. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I'm not standing still, I am lying in wait. Wait, wait.
Okay, so some of you might have picked up on it. He says, now I forget what it is. I am the one thing in life I can control. I am inimitable. I am an original. I'm not falling behind, or I'm not standing. Wait, hold on. I've messed up. I'm not falling behind or running late. I'm not standing still. I'm lying in wait. I think that's how the lyrics goes. It would help if I wrote it down in front of me and I had it ready for the lesson. Gosh, teacher, I'm doing what I told you guys not to do, which is not being totally prepared for my lesson. I thought I had it memorized, but then I got put on the spot, so I got nervous. But ever since I heard that song for the first time this summer, that really struck me, because at this time in our world, that first line of I am the one thing in life I can control is so very true. And the sooner that you learn that life lesson, the better. You are the only thing that you can control. You can't control what is going to happen to you. You can't control where you live all the time, especially when you're a kid. You can't control your circumstances. But what you can control is how you react and what you do, and the way that you choose to see the world. So I am struck by that. And then I'm also struck by the next line, which is, I am inimitable, I am an original. And the fact is that, we are all keepers of very uniquely lives. And yes, we have shared experiences and things that we can empathize with each other, and it makes sense. But all of our stories are our own unique individual stories. And that in itself makes you special. And then the second part of that section that I liked, I am drawn to it because I feel like it represents what's happening right now. Especially as students, you guys probably keep being worried that maybe you're going to fall behind with your learning, or you're going to get kind of stuck in this cycle where you're not going to be able to move past everything and achieve the level that you want to achieve or that your parents want you to achieve. And we're all the entire world kind of right now, where none of us are falling behind. None of us are just standing there by choice. We are all just kind of lying in wait to see when life kind of gets to propel itself back into normalcy again. But at the same time, even though we're just standing here lying in wait, so to speak, life is still continuing. So it is choosing to take control of ourselves and to be ourselves and wait for our moments to come to us to start shining. And so it's looking for those moments. So yes, we're not able to come to school right now the first 3 weeks. And then when we do, it won't be school like normal. Sports might not be normal. Your arts and your band and your choir, the things you like to do for fun, nothing is going to be normal, but you're still going to have those opportunities to shine. It's just waiting for it and seeking out those opportunities that are unique to yourself. So on that note, your assignment for today is to really, before you even write anything or share anything with me, I want you to think deeply and honestly about what you do have control of in your life. What makes you an individual? What makes you different from other people? What makes you special? What do you think you have to give to the world? And if you haven't figured that out yet, you can say, Ms. Chernovic, I haven't figured that out yet. I'm just a little sixth grader. I don't know what I'm special at. But I would like to be special at yada, yada, yada. And tell me what it is that you kind of wish you could do. And maybe this year is your opportunity to kind of go after that thing. So again, what did I say? The first thing is, what do you have control of? The second thing is, how are you an original? How are you inimitable? If you don't know what inimitable means, I'm going to be a teacher right now and tell you to look it up. Find out what inimitable means. We can also discuss it in our Zoom call for today. On that note, that is it. If you have any questions for me, I will be on standby in Zoom, but we do not have a full discussion today. Next week, we will really kind of start having more intense activities, and we're going to start having warm-ups next week. Monday, I'm probably going to teach you guys all about our warm-ups and how things will be set up, and our exit tickets and all of that fun stuff. And we'll start diving into doing things and getting to know each other better. If you guys have any questions for me, let me know. Otherwise, bye.